Hey guys, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the gear that you need to get started fly fishing. Typically the first thing that people think about when fly fishing is the fly fishing rod. And if you've looked online at fly fishing rods, you've probably been a bit overwhelmed with how much information there is and how many different types. I'm going to simplify it for you, and all you need to understand is that the most versatile type of fly fishing rod is a 9-foot 5-weight fly rod. Obviously, 9 feet refers to how long the rod is, and the weight refers to essentially how stiff the rod is, and how big a fish you can fight with it. This is an example of a fly rod. If you're buying one secondhand, you can find the weight and the length of the rod written on the side of the blank here on the rod. The important thing to remember with the fly rod is that if you're going to go for a larger species, get a heavier weight rod, 6, 7, 8 weight rod. And then you can fight those bigger types of fish. I would recommend that you go as inexpensively as possible. When I started learning, I had that $30 Walmart special from my brother, and that served me well for several years. Then as your skills advance, you can get more advanced fly rods, but until your skills are there, it's kind of a waste of money, in my opinion, to spend a bunch of money on a fly rod up front. If you are going to spend a lot of money, make sure that you get a rod with a lifetime warranty on it. That's typically going to be $200 or more for those types of fly rods.